Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your book Fly High Class 5. So now we are on chapter 5 that says I'm aware of my rights. This is chapter 4, not chapter 5. Okay, chapter 4. Okay, I got confused. Chapter 4, I'm aware of my rights. Okay, so this story is about Bhuvan, who borrowed 2000 rupees from Kanti Lal, who was a rich man of village. And afterwards, Bhuvan was cheated by him, right? So Kanti Lal was a rich man who used to, lend money to the people. And then when Bhuvan borrowed money from him, he was cheated. Let's read the story to find out how Kantilal cheated Bhuvan and then how he got rid of it. How he could come out of it. All right. Now, before we read the story, we have an activity. What are your rights and responsibilities? So we all know that we do have some rights, but with the rights we have some responsibilities also, right? Like our right is that we can express ourselves, but on the other hand, my responsibility is that my words should not hurt anyone, right? So with rights we do have responsibilities. So you will all jot down your rights and your responsibilities. So let's start the story. Kantilal was a rich man. He owned many plots of land in the village of Kashipur. When farmers needed money, Kantilal would lend them a little money, but make them put their thumb impression on paper. The poor farmers put their thumb impressions because they could not read and write. So there was a man who was, whose name was Kanti, and he lived in village. He was really rich. And what he used to do is he used to lend money to the farmers who were in need, right? So the farmers, they used to borrow money from him, and then, he used to take the thumb impression of the farmers as they could not read and write, so they were not able to put their signatures, right? So just with this only we can make out that yes, something fishy must have happened, because the farmers, they were not able to read what was there on the papers, right? Thumb impression is, people who are not able to read and write, they put their thumb impression. We have a stamp pad. On the stamp you press your thumb and then you put your thumb impression, right? And that is authentic. Bhuvan borrowed 2000 rupees from Kanti Lal for his first daughter's wedding. But Kanti Lal added two more zeros to make it 2000, to make it 2 lakhs. See how clever and how bad he was. Once upon a time, what happened that Bhuvan, who was a farmer, he borrowed 2000 rupees from Kantilal. And because this poor fellow Bhuvan could not read and write, so before putting the thumb impression, what he did, he added two more zeros and made it the figure of 2 lakhs rupees. So this means that Bhuvan, he borrowed 2 lakhs rupees and not 2000. And what was the actual scene? That Bhuvan had borrowed only 2000 rupees. One day Kantilal came to meet Bhuvan. Bhuvan, you owe me 2 lakh rupees. Give me some back to me. Or let me marry your second daughter and I'll let you go. So he said that you either have to pay some amount, or we have to make a deal that in case if you're not able to return your money, I'll marry your second daughter. But I borrowed only 2000 rupees from you. I'll give that back to you as soon as possible. I don't want my daughter to get married now. He said, it was only 2000 and not 2 lakhs. And sooner I'll put an effort that I return back your money, because he doesn't want his daughter to marry at present. Kantilal laughed. Do you want to see the paper with your thumb impression? Don't you believe me when I say that you have borrowed 2 lakhs from me? He told his daughter about Kantilal's wickedness. Bhuvan's daughter Champa was a clever girl. So Bhuvan's daughter, she was Champa, and she was intelligent and clever. Papa, you go ahead and arrange this marriage. I will be happy with Kantilal. So she says that you don't worry, you make the arrangements for the marriage. I'll marry him and I'll be happy. But then because she was clever, so definitely she had some plan. Bhuvan started weeping. He started crying. He did not know what to do. Next day, Champa visited Kantilal. I am happy to marry you. But before we get married, please give my father's paper which says that he had borrowed 2 lakhs from you. Sure, Champa, I'll give your father's paper this evening. On the day of the wedding, Kantilal came to Bhuvan's house with a band. As soon as he got off his horse, a policeman stepped forward from his van and arrested Kantilal. So, one day what happens is, when on the day of his wedding, when Kantilal came to Bhuvan's house with all the bands and everything, with all the people who were playing music and everything, the same procession we have for the marriage. So when he steps down off his horse, what he sees is that what he finds is a policeman stepping forward towards him, and he arrested Kantilal. How dare you arrest me? Do you know who am I? I am the richest man in this village. I can take strict action against you for doing this. So he wasn't scared of policeman. He instead threatened him, right? Champa, you are a clever girl. I'm glad to listen to your teachers carefully. I'm glad that you listen to your teachers carefully. You were very brave to come and ask for the help at the police station. Every girl should be aware of her rights, like you aware should be, should know and should have the complete knowledge. So the policeman was really happy, and he appreciated Champa for his cleverness and being so alert and knowing her rights. So he was happy. He said that I am so happy that you have listened to your teachers carefully, and it is because of them only you were able to know what are your rights, and you were able to use it wisely and cleverly. So that was a beautiful story. Let's come to the exercise. Which of the following words means the same as give? Lend. Very good. Which part of the given sentence has no error? Bhuvan borrowed 2000 rupees from Kantilal for his daughter's wedding. So which? The first one. Which of the following words is spelled correct? Correct spelled. So we need to find out the correct spelling of impression. So go through it quickly. Yes, the C part is the correct one. Now we have the extract. Based on extract, we need to answer the questions. Bhuvan borrowed 2000 rupees from Kantilal for his first daughter's wedding, but Kantilal added 2 more zeros to make that 2000 2 lakh rupees. Who borrowed 2000 rupees from Kantilal? Bhuvan. Very good. Why did Bhuvan borrow money from Kantilal? Why did he borrow money from Kantilal? He borrowed money from Kantilal for his first daughter's wedding. Bhuvan borrowed 2 lakh rupees. Is it correct? False. He just borrowed 2000 rupees. Kantilal added 2 more zeros to make 2 lakhs. He was a bad man. Next extract. Who visited Kantilal next day? So, Champa, Bhuvan's daughter, visited Kantilal the next day. What did Champa ask Kantilal to give to his father? When Champa went to Kantilal's house, he said that she is ready for the wedding, but then, he wants that Kantilal should return the papers his dad has given him on the day of the wedding. Champa was happy to marry Kantilal. See, in the story, they said that yes, she was happy, right? Because she had some plans. So true. Kantilal promised to give paper to Champa's father in the evening. Next, who was a rich man? Kantilal. What was the name of Bhuvan's daughter? Very good, Champa. How much money did Bhuvan borrow from Kantilal? 2000. What is the legal age of a girl to get married? 18 years. Very good. Now let's come to true or false. Bhuvan's daughter Champa was a clever girl. True. Kantilal wanted to marry Bhuvan's first daughter. No, he wanted to marry Bhuvan's second daughter. Champa was only 15 years old. False. A policeman arrested Kantilal. True. Next we have the question answers. Why did the poor farmers put their thumb impression on papers that Kantilal gave them? The poor farmers, they give their thumb impressions on the papers that Kantilal used to give them because they were not able to read and write. Why did Kantilal give Champa the paper which said that Bhuvan had borrowed 2 lakh rupees? Kantilal gave Champa the papers because, that was the condition which was put forward by Champa, that I am ready to marry you, but then on the other hand, you have to give the papers to my father. Did Champa know about her rights? Yes, she was very well aware of her rights. So that was all about the story. Hope you all loved it. Read the story once again. You too should be aware of your rights and responsibilities, right? So go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.